Georgia, Grant County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Walton County in north-central Georgia, until 6:40 north-central Georgia, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lilburn, Oregon, 9 miles west of Lawrenceville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceville, Decatur, Conyers, Winder, Duluth, Sugar Hill, Snellville, Suwanee, Lilburn, Loganville, Cambly, Norcross, Dorville, Clarkston, Auburn, Stone Mountain, Jacula, Avondale Estates, Grayson, and Latonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see any damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.